see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah, we alone, we alone.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. You guys hear all that? Ziggy. So Ziggy, by the time you go back home, you don't need to hire anyone to do your house. So the tile's pretty much in. I don't know what's going on with the lighting right now. There we go. This is how the tile is looking so far. We're not even really done yet. We still gotta do the sides, and then I'm debating if I want to put back the long mirror. Actually, no, long mirror that was there can't even go there because the toilet's gonna go right there. But yeah, the flooring is back together. Currently here warming up some food. To be honest, guys, I'm not really consistent with the vlogs right now because on my day off, like, I just try to chill as much as I can. Well, actually, a few people are messaging me. They're like, where's the vlogs? You want the vlogs? But guys, that's all I gotta say. I've been like really going at it at work, and like I said, my days off, I just want to chill. So means I'm here eating some fried chicken because I made fried chicken yesterday. I'm gonna finish off the vlog. Nala's at daycare. Nothing really planned for today as per usual. Just doing work inside the house. I don't know what the next project is. The next project is probably going to be the basement. That's what we were talking about. We were thinking of knocking down one of the rooms and putting like a kitchen down there. So we'll see what happens. Like the cupboard and stuff back here, we want to change out, and obviously we want to get the overhead, what was it, overrange microwave. So the microwave's gonna go over the stove, and then we're gonna get like a nice backsplash. But baby steps, baby step. But I'm gonna go finish. I'm gonna go eat. I don't think you guys want to see me eat, and I want to actually enjoy my meal. So I'll catch back with you guys in a bit. Happy Valentine's Day, beautiful people. So our Valentine's Day was a busy one as per usual. Yeah, I feel like every event is just always busy. We're currently on the road right now, doing some drop-off orders for my dad. We actually just dropped off the last one. We're heading back home to have our dinner and seafood boil. We're here in the line getting some Timbits. We're going for some donuts. I actually wanted to get Krispy Kreme donuts, but the line was long. Look at this guy. Look at this one. Anytime you do a little drive out, he gets like, oh, my head's hurting me.
Nah, man, I feel it from morning, man, but I ain't the pain of mine. I still kind of feel a little bit like.
So, yo, big up your guys' self on this beautiful Valentine's Day. Even though I feel like, you know, every day should be special with your loved one, your special one, whatever. For those of you who are celebrating it by yourself, that's fine. You know, self-love, that's fine. It's totally fine. I want to send a big shout out to those of you who ordered from my dad with his Valentine's Day special. Shout out to you guys. Big up your guys' self. Really appreciate the love and support in our city. You know, it's real. What was I about to say? Easter's coming up. Last year Easter was insane, like insane. My dad fried over 300 fish, literally. I remember we were counting it. So I'm just putting it out there from now. If you are trying to place your Easter order, highly recommend you either hit me up or my dad, because last year we had to literally tell people we couldn't take no more orders because it was just ridiculous. But put in your orders from now. But yeah, we're just in the line waiting for our food, and then we're gonna go home and enjoy our dinner. We got oxtail, we got seafood boil, we got jerk chicken.
Yeah, the ox and Joel is filled with curfew at 1 o'clock.
Yo, have you guys seen that video of the voice note, like Gary and his family?
yo, that video actually, like, just me. I'm gonna say Gary.
Something like the family member needed a lung or kidney,
Yeah, a kidney, and everybody come like they want to say the whole family come together and decides a Gary must give one of him kid.
One, good night. You know, say me I call up and I think though, all the family members then come together and I say you fit give Gary a kidney because Tete have underlying sickness and so forth, so Tete can donate one and kidney. So they must say you're the best person to give Gary one of your kidney. So guys know me know.
Marsha, why you no come down and go do it for Gary? Eh? Why you no come down and go do it? Me fi say cousin as much as you fi say cousin. And further on, no call me and talk to me about the situation. You where you say the family member then come together and plan and say me I best one. Who know say me I best one? Who a give me nothing? Who a help me? Which one a help me? Which one I don't know if me auntie or me no auntie? Well, let me tell you this. Don't text back my pussy clad phone and tell any one of them me say text me or diss them. If all of them they are foreign and me no more there so. Uno have the opportunity can help him. Look how much I uno. Why none of uno can do surgery and help him? Why me? Why me? I me uno choose for sacrifice. Why me? Eh? Uno blood clad. Listen me. I don't text back my phone. As long as your blood clot live, and tell anyone I family member say if you no text me or this, you know. As much as me love Gary, me nah do nothing because you no come to me and ask me, you no plan back at me. You will no plan and decide say me I best one. Why you no call and make we call a family meeting and you no ask me? I no ask you and ask me, I tell me. Say that you no plan for do no blood clot rank. You no don't call me phone because me and none of nothing. None of no business if me live or me dead.
If you guys have not heard that voice note, it's literally funny because that is literally how family members are. They don't ask you, know, they will choose someone. But it was really funny.
That was funny. Man, I said, come off of my phone and call me back.
Or not ask.
Yeah.
Or not tell me. Something like that he was saying.
I said, no, why you not give Gary for your, no, give my money for your kidney. Show me alone there, I know I make me, you know, I sacrifice me.
I know.
Yo, I don't know because I was high or what, but trust me, that every day actually give me a good laugh.
Oh my gosh, yo, we have been watching some good movies on Netflix lately. I'm gonna start leaving them in the description box. Whenever we watch a good movie, I'm gonna leave in the description box because, yo, we watched like 3 good movies or 4 good movies and they're a good watch, and sometimes it's hard to find like a good watch on Netflix.
Netflix, like you see, what if a good movie, but when I try watch them, I can't get it like,
it just,
or I Canada now get a good movie then.
I don't know, but lately we've been watching some good ones. So check out the description box for that.
On donut?
This one just woke up. Mama, what's up? No. You don't want to be in the camera? No. Okay.
Why?
Let's see how she's facing you. Nala wakes up, she's like different level moody.
You would chocolate, you would donut, right? You would donut. Or you donut. You think me for pretty? You want donut? Okay, we're getting it. You don't want it? You want it. I know you want it.
Okay, no, this line though, what's going on?
I know you want it.
So I'm on my day off. I have 4 days off and then I start back up work. But honestly, I've been really enjoying my day off, so I'm not even gonna lie. Because I've said this before, but those 12 hours really catch up on you. It really does. And then plus, like, being a mom, wife, just house stuff to do, like, bruh, oh my gosh. I don't know, I really sometimes I feel, or I think I'm superwoman, you know. Sometimes I need to tell myself, like, woosah, relax, like, enjoy your day off. You don't have to always pick up that shift, like, relax. Even sometimes you get like, Nisha, go sleep, go rest, like, relax.
You can like, we're macadam money, y'all.
But
money, y'all.
so another update on Ziggy's shoulder. Oh, did you tell him you got the specialist? You're gonna see the specialist?
I don't remember.
So he is gonna go see a bone specialist. I think he already said it in the last vlog. If I saw, I'll take it out anyways.
I don't remember. I think so. I'm in pain. That's what I know, say so. You know, but if you call them sickness by yourself, I will come.
That's something I always heard growing up in like Jamaica. that, or don't, you know, something you'll call into work and be like, oh, my grandma's sick, or my grandma has this, or people used to be like, don't call down, be careful what you utter out your mouth.
Call them sick on yourself.
It's true though.
Because remember me used to tell police say me that me no go to school. And then by the time my day if it done, by the time I lay down and wake up, me it start hot me. So,
Yeah?
one donut? You can't wait, no? What's wrong?
This is the one thing that sucks with drive-thrus. Like, once you're in the line, you're actually stuck in the line.
Oh no, you can't come out.
Oh, I can?
Yeah, but yeah, they're out. Why them they look like candlesticks?
Yo! They really do though. They do. That's so funny that you would even think to.
Like trading candlesticks. You know, oh, somebody when they ask me say if they still trade.
Oh.
Yeah, I still do, but barely.
And you know what? Someone also asked me what app do I use to buy Bitcoin? So cryptocurrency. I use Coinbase. Oh.
What happened?
Right now I'm like, I don't know. I can't. I'm still learning. That's all I can really say. Right now my account is. I hate the paper straws. I hate these straws.
Anyway, as I said, before all of this thing I start, when they talk about this cryptocurrency thing and all of them, and me never know nothing about stocks or them things, so I don't invest in it neither. But if I invest in it from the time, then probably that is one good gain, you know. But
I should have left my money. That's what I should have done. I took out my money.
The thing is, Bitcoin go run, it go run, because right now you can't people Tesla invest in a Bitcoin.
They said Apple's probably going to too.
Right? So you know what go happen. An idea is that people can use Bitcoin to buy a car. Alright now, everything I go electric.
Really?
Car them they go electric. So if a car them I go electric, you don't know say from Bitcoin involved, Bitcoin can use to buy car. Majority of place them you see just like how you have a ATM them, you have Bitcoin ATM machine same speed too. So like if people want to invest in it and they can invest in it, I think Bitcoin go run.
So you don't think it's gonna go and it's just gonna bam, drop?
Yeah, it go just make one drop, come back and then continue again. I say thing work, you know. But I kinda try to get a little bit involved in the whole stocks thing, cause I try to buy up some stocks same way. Because if I electric with they go electric with some stocks. You know? Anything will work, anything what me say they run things and I electric settings they run things and also that me they work with. Anything what me can buy involved with Apple, involved with Tesla, some little piece of company I work with them and they try to invest in them to see if they can hold some.
Another thing too is like when it comes to stocks, like everyone knows Tesla's a good stocks, Amazon, but those are also really expensive. Just know that you can invest in smaller stocks as well and still gain.
Yep.
Because one of my issues was I was like, yo, I should have bought Tesla when it was this and that, or you know, I kept like downing myself, and I wanted to follow my mind those times, but someone told me they're like, you can still invest in smaller stocks and still get a good gain.
Of course.
So don't feel like you missed out. Like there's still stocks out there and you have enough time.
What? Think me have to chat to you.
Shiloh's not helping us. The needle, yeah.
You know, see how we alone. We go hard, we try. Nobody here we cry. Them no care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.